Hello everyone and welcome to a very exciting unboxing today. It is a larger box, which of course means it's a larger coin, and you can see there it is from the Royal Canadian Mint. Now we've got that lovely iconic red there as part of the box, as the colouring of the box, and just the lovely shiny edges of the box itself. This product is a very high quality product from the Royal Canadian Mint, therefore it is housed in this lovely box. So first things first, let's have a look at the certificate so we can find out some more information about this lovely coin and hopefully share that with you now. Here we are. So we are looking at a 5-ounce silver coin with a face value of $50. It is a 2023 coin, and it's a very special commemorative coin to celebrate 35 years. It's the 35th anniversary of the maple leaf, which is obviously a big deal for the Royal Canadian Mint, a big deal for Canada, and a big deal for coin collectors. I'm sure there's a lot of you out there that have silver maple leafs or even gold maple leafs in your collection, and this is the coin that has been struck to celebrate all of those maple leafs that have been pressed from the beginning, which was 1988, up until now, which of course is 2023. Now let's take a look at this coin. Obviously, we're going to have maple leafs on there. It is to commemorate the maple leafs, but the way that the Royal Canadian Mint have designed and struck this coin is phenomenal. Absolutely phenomenal. Now, we're just looking at the coin here through the capsule, and already you can see this is a fantastic product. As always from the Canadian Mint, I do think they put just as much work into their obverse as they do the reverse, which is really cool. It is a chunky coin, and there, even through the capsule, you can see it's an ultra high relief coin. Just get that out for you. There we are. Oh. This is called Maple Leafs in Motion, and you know why, because this coin seems to move on its own. It really does have sort of this life within it, with all of those reflective sides. We had this coin on the turntable when we were filming it for the product video, and as it was spinning around, it almost looked like there were circles illuminating from this piece. Absolutely fantastic. Now, once again, even though it's a 5-ounce coin, there is still so much detail put into this piece. And as I said before, both sides have had so much work that have gone into it. Absolutely fantastic engraving here. So of course we have Queen Elizabeth II. And what is really nice on this piece, they've actually got the years just to the left of Queen Elizabeth's reign, which is just a nice little personal touch on the coin as well. Now turning it back over to the obverse, this is when you get really wowed by looking at this so close up. Not only do those maple leaves have so much detail in them, it's the back. It's this reflective surface that really does give you the reason behind the title of this coin, Maple Leaves in Motion. If you are interested in having this piece and adding it to your collection, please do hop onto our website at www.emk.com. and you can also find all different types of maple leaves products there.